Good morning, investors. My name is Will from the KOSEC dealing team. The day is Thursday, the 23rd of May, and here is your pre-market wrap. Wednesday saw the 6th straight day of gains for the ASX. After a drop of nearly 0.2% in early trade, the local index managed to rise steadily and actually finished in positive territory. Consumer discretionary, energy and material sectors lifted the index, while the financials and the tech sector weighed heavily on the ASX 200. At the close, the ASX was up 10 points, or 0.2%, at 6,510 points. $6.98 billion worth of shares were traded, with 637 companies closing higher, 498 weaker, and 381 finishing unchanged. The top performers for the day were Galaxy Resources, which rose 6.2%. The other lithium miner Orocobre was not far behind it, rising 5.6%. And Seven West Media jumped 6% after it released an encouraging trading update. Over to the worst performers now. Fortescue Metal weighed heavily on the market after it traded ex-dividend. The fund manager IWF Holding and Medibank Private, after an impressive run-up, took a very slight breather. They fell 8.1%, 7.1% and 4.3% respectively. Taking a look at Asia now, we saw a mixed session as the US-China trade war lingers in investors' minds. The Shanghai was down 0.49% and the Nikkei and Hang Seng moved up 0.05% and 0.18% respectively. Over in Europe, Brexit deals have risen, the tensions have risen, and of course the relatively flat trading session. The major indices were mixed, with the German DAX and the FTSE finishing up 0.21% and 0.07%, and the French CAC fell 0.12%. Over to America, we see that there is no shortage of news on trade tensions, tariffs, and earning releases. The US sessions were all down, with the Nasdaq falling by 0.45% after the Qualcomm released an announcement. S&P 500 finished down 0.28% and the Dow Jones fell by 0.39%. Taking a look at commodities now, gold has steadied after an announcement from the Fed that they will keep interest rates unchanged for some time. The precious metal is now trading at $12.72 US an ounce. Copper fell by 1.38%. Iron ore is slightly up at 103.6 US a barrel. Oil took a very big slide after the US crude stockpiles have surged. Brent fell 1.91% to 70.80 US a barrel. WTI fell 2.87% to 61.32 US a barrel. Natural gas followed not far behind, falling 2.33%. US bond yields are sitting at 2.38% for the 10-year and 2.22% for the 2-year. One Australian dollar is currently buying 0.6881 US cents, and our SPY futures are indicating a slightly softer start at the open with an 11-point drop. If you have any questions about this or any of the other days trading, please feel free to place a call through to myself or anyone from the KOSEC dealing team, and we'll be more than happy to help out in any way we can. Thank you. Have a great day.